There goes 377502 on the 1029 Southeastern service from Maidstone East to London Charing Cross, and today we're at Borough Green and Wrotham. Not been here before. Well, I've been here once, but quite a while ago. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it and see what turns up here at Borough Green and Wrotham. Enjoy. Okay, approaching in now is the 1141 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Ashford International. If my eyesight is correct, it is 377520. Don't know what that noise is. Might get going that second then. I don't know what that noise is, but it's not very, don't really like the sound. Okay, to find out now is the 1141 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Ashford International. 1041, not 1141. I don't like phones. For some reason my Wi-Fi thing popped up, then it stopped the recording, so I just started it in time. It's a bit weird. So I use Wi-Fi on Southeastern trains and it's come up saying your Wi-Fi is not working or something, because obviously the train was there, so it connected to the Wi-Fi, so it stopped the recording. But luckily I just recorded in time for the departure, so that was a bit irritating. I'll turn the Wi-Fi off now. There she goes. Next stop for her is Westmore. Right. Approaching now is the 1045 Southeastern service from Ashford International to London Victoria.
Platform 1 for the 1045 Southeastern service to London Victoria. Calling at Kensington, Oxford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South and London Victoria. This train
Three 77508 and 517. There is something that I really need to know. It's on the front, like there's like a massive like yellow box thing. I'm not too sure what it is, but it's really weird. I don't know why they have that. They've started using it about a month ago. It's like a yellow box thing. You saw it there in the front of 508. It's just really weird. I don't know what that is. Please let me know in the comments. That'd be much appreciated. But no, it's really weird that. I'd like to know what that is. Alright, 508 and 517 are off with the 1045 Southeastern service from Ashford to Victoria. Next up for is Kensington. So if you could let me know what that yellow box is on the front of that unit. I saw it on 375624 once as well. I don't know what it is, but if you let me know, that'll be much appreciated. Well, after a hefty 28-minute wait, about to have the 1117 service come in from Charing Cross to Maidstone that I'm going to get. I was going to stay here a bit longer. I was going to stay for like another hour, but the heat is so unbearable. It's like 27 degrees. I'm melting just standing here. Like literally, my top is drenched. So yeah, quite a short one today. I do apologise, but next time I go Trainspotter, I'll make sure to go when it's a lot cooler, at least like 21 degrees with cloud, not pure sun. So yeah, from the 1117 come in even, and yeah, that'll be the end of the video. So quite a short one today, but this heating's so unbearable. I need to get home. Okay, well now approaching is the 1117 Southeastern service from Charing Cross to Maidstone East. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later, guys. 377518 and 513. Alright, thanks guys for watching, I'll see you later. Quite a short one today. Oh, hello. That's a bit wrong, isn't it? Still showing its London Bridge and all that. Look at that, Waterloo East. That's weird.